Good afternoon, everyone. Should we start or do you guys want to wait for a bit? Hello. All right. I can't see anybody. But are you guys able to hear me or did you just log in and go off?
Yes, madam,
Hello.
we hear you.
You can hear me, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, good then. Okay then. Uh, I'm going to share my screen now and we are going to be taking up mock test 4 today. Okay. So we'll follow the same pattern that I usually do.
I have one doubt.
Yeah,
Is it totally based on client?
sorry.
Is it totally based on client?
It is completely based on CLAT. As you can see, this is based on official sample paper 2. So the consortium has released a few samples, right? So what we have is a mix of question papers based on the samples provided by the consortium. So this is very, very CLAT specific and this is absolutely in the new pattern. So this is the kind of questions that you're
Ma'am,
going to
can we
do.
expect the questions? Can we expect the question in actual CLAD on 28th from the sample papers that has been released by consortium?
I can't hear you very well. Hello? Could you repeat that, please? I can't hear you very well.
Ma'am, my doubt is, can the question be the sample paper be fitted in actual CLAD?
Okay, I really can't hear you. Do you want to put up your question in the chat box?
Yes, ma'am. I think if you on chat box, it will be better because no more students are there here.
Okay. Okay, see, what we can do is let's go through the questions first. Okay, and then anyway, I have a dedicated 45 minutes for you to take any doubts that you might have. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
all right. So we'll follow the same pattern that I usually do. I'll give you about a minute to read the passage and then we'll take the questions. Okay, we have only 4 passages today because passage 2 for some reason is not showing up in the PDF. Okay, all right. So we'll start now and you'll have about a minute to read through this. we'll take the questions now. What is the meaning of the word unceremonious in the context of the passage?
I'll guess the answer. It should be A, abrupt.
Right. It is A, abrupt. Let's look at where it's used.
It is in first line,
In
I
the
think.
first sentence, right? I came across Afra Shafiq's work when a friend unceremoniously sent me a link. So here, obviously, somebody sending you a link, there can't be a ritual around it, right? So all it has to be is abrupt. Okay. So our answer is 1A, abrupt. Now the second question. Which group of people is the author referring to when she proclaims my tribe?
B, millennial. Millennials.
Where do you get that from?
And can you show the passage?
Let's look
ma'am?
at where this thing is used. Until I learnt about the conveniently removed history of my tribe from the larger human history narrative. So this is clearly talking about women, right? Look at the preceding paragraphs. Sorry, the preceding lines. It's
Yes,
talking
ma'am.
about women and how women are not there in the recorded history. So when the
Yes,
author
ma'am.
is talking about my tribe, she is talking about women, because that is the underlying theme of this passage, right?
Ma'am, what is meaning of millennials then?
Millennials is my generation.
Okay, ma'am.
People born after, I think, 1980 probably to about 2000. So yeah, so that is people of my generation. You guys are the next generation. All right. What can we conclude about Bal Gangadhar Tilak's views on marital rape after reading the passage?
Ma'am, it can be C. He prophesized orthodox practice of Hindu culture over women's right of to their own bodies.
Absolutely. This is C. Because what is he saying here? A, he is opposing the age of consent bill. And he's saying we would not like that the government should have anything to do with regulating our social customs or ways of living. And this was a bill, the explanation for the bill is given, right? It was trying to raise the age of consent for sexual intercourse for girls from 10 years to 12 years. You know, nowadays, both of these is a crime, right? But back then, they were still trying to raise it from 10 to 12. And this guy, and he is a national hero. We all grow up, you know, worshipping these people. And here he goes and says, no, we don't want to change that. So clearly he was a very, very orthodox person. All right. Which of these is true about the passage?
Ma'am, it's A. It is about women being largely absent from human history.
Absolutely. Absolutely. That is the underlying theme of the entire passage. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
And we have this reiterated in every paragraph. Let's see, she's saying, isn't human history the history of women? Well, I thought so too, until I learned about the conveniently removed history of my tribe. All right. Then the last question.
Ma'am, may I?
Yeah.
Which of these aptly describes Sultana's reality? Ma'am, I think the answer should be A. It is a feminist document which shares the history of women.
That may be correct in general, but look at what is given in this passage. Where is it talking about Sultana's reality? And I use the ethos of remix culture to bring to life this material through an interactive multimedia story called Sultana's Reality.
Yes,
Now let's
ma'am.
look at the options here. Now this is a direct lift from the passage. Option B, it is an interactive multimedia story about women. Because this is exactly coming from the passage, right? So since we have a better option, which is like exact reproduction of whatever is given in the passage, that is our answer here. If option
Ma'am,
B
in
was not present, then option A would have been the correct answer.
Ma'am, in these sort of questions, when the probably I have done like a lot of mistakes because there were some questions in which directly the lines, there were some options with which in which the lines were directly derived from the passage, but then they went wrong and the other inference was right. Like here, option A is kind of an inference which we draw from the
Right.
passage, and option B is directly taken from the passage. So, ma'am, in these sort of similar questions, when I chose that those lines which were directly derived from the passage, I went wrong, and that inference part it went correct. So, ma'am, what should we do regarding this problem?
See, I'll tell you the trick to this is read the question very carefully because your answer will depend on the context in which the question is asked. Now, what is the question here? Which of these aptly describes Sultana's reality? Okay, so it is asking for a description of Sultana's reality, right? So when we go back to look at the passage itself, is Sultana's reality described in the passage? The answer is yes, it is described, and it says this is an interactive multimedia story called Sultana's Reality. Okay, so this is a direct lift from the passage. There is no contextual meaning or inference required here because the question is also direct and the answer is also direct. Okay, both of these are direct. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
if the question was, what is your opinion or what is the author's opinion about Sultana's reality? Or what does the author portray Sultana's reality as? Then the answer would be A.
Yes, ma'am. I understood the difference.
Okay. So the trick lies in the question and the context in which the answer is required. So if it is a fact-based question, if it is a direct factual question, and you find the direct relevant sentence in the passage, then it's a very direct answer. If the question is indirect, but it still refers to a direct fact or background or sentence given in the passage, then your question is indirect, but your answer is direct. If your question is indirect, it's asking for your interpretation or what the author is talking about or something like what is the gist of this passage, then your answer has to be inference based and contextual. Then it will not be a direct line which is lifted from the passage. Okay. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
All right. So hope that helps. So next time you're practicing questions, just try looking at it from this point of view and see if you're getting better answers. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
So now we'll go to passage 3. Again, I'm going to give you about a minute to read through this and then we'll take the question.
Ma'am, I think we have not completed passage number 2.
There is no passage number 2 here. There's a blank where passage 2 should be. It's an error in the PDF, but that's okay. You can practice it by yourself. It's there in the book.
Yes.
All right. Which of the following sums up the author's main point in the given passage in the best possible way? A. Poets like Asrar
Ma'am?
Jamai. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead,
I
please.
I think it's D. Dissent is an important part of democracy, and it is important to raise your voice against oppression.
Right. Absolutely. This is a correct answer. And see, this is exactly what we were talking about in the previous question. That was a direct lift for the question
Yes,
and
ma'am.
the answer. Here it is an indirect question and an indirect answer, right? Because this is based on the interpretation that you would think what the author is trying to say here,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Why, according to the passage, was Asrar Jamai against the Tada? We call it Tada. Once you are a lawyer, you will also call it Tada.
Ma'am, it should be A. Ma'am, it
Right.
should be A because he believed that it was being used as a discriminatory manner against the minorities.
Right. And this is directly there in the passage, right? Because it says he pointed out the harsh reality that the act was being used to blackmail and harass not just men, but also women from the minority communities. So this is an example of a direct lift from the passage. What do you understand by the word paean?
C. Praise.
Right, praise. Let's see where it's used.
Ma'am,
In the
first
times
passage.
when most poets and artists have either sold their conscience or penned paeans in favor of the state or remained silent about state-sponsored oppression, we remember a poet so upright and fearless that he told the prime minister and the home minister of the largest democracy in their faces of their oppressive regime. So even if you don't know the meaning as such, you can derive the context from this sentence, right? Because the phrase here is pen paeans in favor of the state. So then it comes to a choice between B and C. So here the context says it's C, praise in favor of the government. In some other contexts, paean could mean worship. but here it is praise. So 3 is C. All right. What was the term given by Asrar Jamai to Tada?
Ma'am, it's A. He called him a black act.
Right. It should be he called it a black act, but that's a typo. So we can't do anything about that. But
Ma'am, but isn't that racist?
no, this is black in the context of dark,
Oh,
not
okay.
black in the
I
context of
I
black
thought.
people.
Okay. I thought the race. I'm sorry.
अरे तंत्र विद्या यार.
See, he recited a poem calling Tada as a black act and also pointed out the harsh reality that it was used to being blackmail, blah, blah, blah. All right? So here it is black as in dark, evil, all the negative connotations of black.
Lucifer.
Morning star.
All right. Which of the
Yamraj.
following is an opinion of the author of this passage?
Ma'am, it would be B. Dissent is an important feature of
B.
democracy.
Right. Dissent is an important feature of democracy. That is the theme of the
Yes, ma'am, B.
passage, right? They're talking about this poet, but this poet is being talked about in the context of how he was such a free-spirited person, and he stressed on criticizing the government even when other people were not criticizing the government, etc. All right. Now the fourth passage. Again, I'll give you about a minute to read this, and then we'll take the question.
Ma'am, I think we have not done the second one, second passage.
There is no second passage.
Supermarket in Post Delhi or any other big city, one comes across
Okay,
train.
if you're reading it out loud, then please mute your microphone.
मन में पढ़ ले भाई.
Sorry, I didn't realize.
Ma'am, what's the meaning of exasperated?
It is
What do you
excess
think
of created.
Rated, which is excess.
Exactly.
Okay, guys, no talking during the reading time. If you can't shut up for 1 minute, I will be very aggrieved about how you will sit silently for flat.
Sorry, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am.
Apologies, ma'am, from the bottom of my heart.
That's fine. Just read the passage. All right. That's more than enough time. What does the word cognizance mean? Knowledge, darkness, to distance oneself, not knowing.
Knowledge.
This is a very common word.
Ma'am, A.
Right. Knowledge.
Option
Yes,
A.
Ma'am. Yeah. Ma'am, I said knowledge only.
Knowledge.
Knowledge.
Knowledge. Nothing else even comes close. They are all like
Yeah.
completely irrelevant terms.
Ma'am,
Darkness, to
metaphorically,
distance
ma'am,
oneself,
darkness
not
is
knowing
very
is the
close to
opposite.
knowledge.
All right. Why does the author say that her mother would be exasperated upon seeing cut up fruit being sold?
Ma'am, it should be C. The idea of
Right,
fruit being sold and all.
right. It is C. The idea of fruit being sold like this would be bizarre to her mother because she probably did not grow up in a big city where these things are available so widely. Because if we see in the passage, it is talking about her mother saying, who are these lazy people who can't cut up their own fruit? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, option C.
Right. This is option. All right, guys, I'm going to have to step out for like a few seconds. So I'll
COVID-19 से आज पूरा देश लड़ रहा है, पर याद रहे हमें बीमारी से लड़ना है, बीमार से नहीं। अब ये आवाज किसकी है? ये आवाज
और भाइयों, किसका बैंगलोर हुआ था?
क्या हाल है भाई के?
क्या हाल है?
ए,
What is up, bro?
सैयद भाई क्या हाल है?
कोई बातचीत कर लो, इतना सीरियस माहौल क्यों है?
भाई मैम कहाँ चली गई?
मेम को काम आया है कुछ।
क्या करूँ फिल्म में?
नो
इसको काम हो
टॉकिंग।
गया।
Ma'am, your mic is on mute.
जी को खांसी हो रही है।
ऋषभ भाई माइक तो म्यूट कर लो फिर से।
जी खांसी किसी को आ रही है यार, जाके टेस्ट कराओ अपना।
कौन है भाई ये?
भाई सेल्फ क्वारंटाइन हो जाओ, क्लैट भी
भाई
छोड़ो, अब मत
भाई
आना।
कोरोना ज्यादा ही चल रहा है।
चल तो बहुत ज्यादा रहा है, बट जो भी खांस रहा है भाई, हमको तो सेंटर पे मिलना है, तो मत आओ फिर। रहने दो, कंपटीशन भी हमारा कम होगा।
और यार एक किस्सा सुना है।
Are you guys not here to study?
मैम आप
क्या?
I mean, what are you
योर वॉइस इज
doing
आवाज कट रही है।
here?
एक मिनट।
Teacher
हमने भी पैसे दिए हैं।
is gone.
अरे तो तभी तो बात कर रहे हैं।
हमने भी पैसा दिए।
मैम योर वॉइस वाज लैगिंग, जो भी बोल रही थी अभी।
क्या?
I agree.
Totally.
Yeah, man.
Hence proof.
Therefore, although
Alas.
that's why,
Indeed.
as if
यहाँ पे तो आपने पूरा व्यंजन कर दिया शब्दों का।
definitely
Henceforth.
they're often
Thereby.
Ma'am, are you there?
For a short.
Hello, ma'am. Are you there?
Yes, child.
Oh, I thought you are boy, but it's proof that you are girl. Okay.
Oh yeah.
No, so you'll judge me on the basis of my gender. How
Oh,
dare
yeah.
you? Oh yeah.
भाई ये क्या कर रहे हो सब? क्या कर रहे हो सब?
Oh my God, who's this? Who are these dirty people?
गाइस अब पढ़ लो.
भाई अब तो लगने वाली है एग्जाम में, क्या करें?
मैं तो सोच रहा हूँ
ये ऐसी
बस
हरकतों की वजह से
यार
तुम
एक
लोग
मिनट, एग्जाम कौन सा?
वो मैं
अपना
नीट के बाद जो होता है.
अबे जो सीबीएसई के बाद आता है,
हाँ,
अबे वही जो क्लैट से पहले आता है।
अभी क्लैरिटी है.
हाँ जेई के बाद है, वही वही वही।
हम्म.
अबे जैसे मौसम होते हैं वैसे एग्जाम होते हैं।
नाम कब आएंगे यार?
तेरी आँखें नाइयों काजल मन करे। कौन है ये बंदर?
देख कौन है ये?
अरे कौन है ये?
Hijab, are you there?
Yes, child. Yes.
Hijab ka net isn't working.
Oh my God.
No, no. Am I audible right now?
Yeah, you are now.
Yeah, you are.
Yes.
So what are you guys doing? Our teacher has gone just because of you guys. If you are not here to study, at least we are here.
Oh my God, I'm so scared.
You need to be scared, okay?
नहीं.
First of
You
all,
need to
guys,
be.
we are enrolled people, and sir is doing this just because of you. So please stop all of this because it's not even funny. First of all, you're not even funny.
छोड़ दो ना, जो करना है करने दो. कितने देर करेंगे? छोड़ दो.
Yeah, right, guys. It's not funny.
I think you should just stop doing it, यार.
All right. Sorry, guys. Sorry, I had to step out for a bit.
That's perfectly all right, man.
Ma'am, we're sorry.
Sorry? No, no, I am apologizing to you. I
No,
needed to
ma'am,
step
it's perfectly all
Sorry
right.
किसने
ma'am.
बोला?
You understand, ma'am? It's okay.
मैं sorry बोल रही हूँ.
नहीं मैम, कोई बात
No,
नहीं.
ma'am, you weren't here, and these people, they were, creating all sorts of ruckus over here.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Guys,
Ma'am,
don't
ma'am,
do
let's
that.
just continue with the topic.
No, ma'am, it was excess. This was like very irritating right now. It didn't happen like earlier.
Yes, ma'am.
It was
We
very
all agree.
irritating. If you would have been there, you would have actually gone.
I agree, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, man, we thought आप उसी तरह से चले गए हो, but it's okay, ma'am. आप आ गए हो आप, so it's all good.
Have some shame, guys.
Yeah.
Yes,
All right. Which question were we on?
ma'am, the fourth one, I guess.
Fourth one? All right.
I think I'm not sure. You can ask someone else also. Guys,
No, I think
anyone
we
else?
were on the second one.
Ma'am, third
Yes,
question.
Yeah,
We
third.
just did the second
okay,
one,
ma'am,
right?
sorry,
Where,
sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
where the mom said, "Who are these lazy people?"
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That's right. That's right.
All right. So 2 is C. That is clear, right? Nobody has any doubts on that.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The third question then. Which of these statements best describes the author's views about plastic pollution?
Ma'am,
it's C.
I think it. Yes, ma'am. C.
Ma'am, the
Continue.
third option, C.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
The
The
plastic
author
waste that
is
is
worried
untreated.
about there being so much plastic waste that is untreated globally.
It's horrible, ma'am.
Right. It is. It is. I completely agree with you. What can the word exasperated be replaced with in the passage? Excited,
Derailed.
cheerful, happy,
Ma'am, D.
riled up.
Derailed up.
Riled up, ma'am.
Right.
I think right.
Be
Yeah.
riled up. Riled up is disturbed.
Oh,
And exasperated is tired or fed up. So
Ma'am,
they are
could you please give me an
similar
example
in
of
the-
where I can use this word? Like in a sentence.
घर में घुसते ही.
right now, some of you were riled up because some of the others were creating noise,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that makes sense, ma'am. Thank you.
right? Exasperated is like, बस यार बहुत हो गया अब चुप करो type.
Yes, ma'am.
Your parents will know the feeling very well.
Yes, ma'am. I can relate, ma'am.
All right. Which of these is true about global plastic consumption?
Ma'am, that plastic exists globally.
This is an MCQ. You have 4 options. You have to choose from one.
Bro, it's either A, B, C, or D. Please answer.
चारों में से
Ma'am,
कुछ
it's
एक.
C.
I think it's
India
C.
consume list China more than India, US the most among the 3. It's C.
Right.
Perfectly
It is
fine.
C. Let's go and look at the paragraph. While India's
जाएगा.
plastic consumption is still a tenth
जाएगा.
of US's and less than a third of China's, we would be foolish to believe that it is not a number that will make a difference. So what is this saying? India is less than 1/3 of China and 1/10 of US. So it's clearly India and then China and then US, right?
Yes, ma'am. That's what I was saying.
And it was a bit
Yes, ma'am.
confusing before while reading the options and relating to the passage.
Acha.
But this is right there. This is coming from one sentence. All you need to do is read the sentence properly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, if this was a maths
ma'am.
question and this was in the QT section, you would have been asked if 3,580 tons is US's consumption, what is the consumption of India and China? And then you would have to sit and calculate.
Ma'am, India is the best, ma'am.
Well, we like to think so, but other people don't. Everybody thinks their country is the best, right?
Well, but actually,
Ma'am.
India is still the best.
Yes, ma'am, that's true.
All right. Why does the author say that urban areas consume more plastic than rural areas?
Ma'am, because rural
Because they do.
population has different consumption and lifestyle pattern. C. Sorry,
Right.
B.
Rural population has different consumption and lifestyle patterns.
Coca-Cola.
So it's B. All right. What, according to the author, is a solution to reduce India's plastic consumption?
Stop using
Ma'am,
plastic.
it's
Ma'am, B.
Banning
Holding
pla-
elected
Yes,
Holding
representative
elected
accountable
representative accountable and keeping a check on individual
consumption.
consumption.
पड़ गया इतनी तेज.
भाई rap कर दिया इसमें तो.
Right. This is B, holding elected representatives accountable and keeping a check on individual
बहुत hard.
consumption.
बहुत hard.
Again, this is directly there in the passage. It is important to bring this up with local representatives since
Just
those
sorry.
are the biggest change makers. There is a pivotal difference that can be brought about by mindful consumption on part of the individual. Again, one sentence gives you the answer. All right. Why does the author say that keeping oneself informed has never been easier?
ma'am, it's A.
A, yeah.
Hey, ma'am.
Right.
Yeah.
Because we
Last
live in a world
paragraph.
where we
Yeah,
have
yeah.
easy access to information via internet.
Yeah.
Hey, yeah.
The author says we are internet savvy, right? Learning about alternatives was never as easy as it is today with the internet savvy world that we live in. All right.
Yes.
Now the 5th passage. Okay. Again, I'll give you guys a minute to read and then we'll take it.
Some countries are the threat of coronavirus pandemic, but okay, so teach. Providing administration.
Ma'am,
Okay, guys. Shh.
Ma'am, I request you to mute everyone and whoever want to give answer, they'll raise their hand. Here it is a bit disturbing.
How
Yes,
do I
ma'am.
mute everybody?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what time is the break?
We'll finish this passage and then we'll take a break.
Thank you, ma'am. मम्मा चाय ले आओ.
Please mute yourself, bro.
हाँ पकौड़े भी.
Bro, please mute yourself.
Okay, I heard that there was some sort of disturbance again, so I've joined this meeting right now. I have muted everyone, and then ma'am will allow you to unmute and ask you to unmute as we normally do it. Okay, so I don't understand why, but some people take some kind of pleasure in being antisocial element, not realizing that everybody needs to, kind of clear the same exam. So I don't see any point in like disturbing the class so much. And those of you who are the sincere students, please be assured that we are with you. Okay, I am here. Ma'am is here. All of us will ensure that there's a certain kind of dignity and a kind of respect that is maintained in the class. If anyone finds any problem, please message me directly. Please message ma'am directly. Yeah, go ahead, Vidyush.
Sir, can you? Sir, I don't have a personal number. So can I have it right now?
Sorry?
Sir, I don't have a personal number. Can I have it, please?
You can message me on Telegram if you are available on the group.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm there. Thank you so much, sir.
So
That's perfectly all right, sir. Thank you.
Okay. All right. So this kind of things. Ma'am, please carry on. Are you there, Jayantika ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I've given them a minute to read the passage.
Yeah. Okay.
So
if
you guys are done reading, we'll take the questions. You're done?
Ma'am, you will have to unmute them. Okay.
Okay.
I will drop off now. If there's anything else, I want to thank.
Could you unmute them, because I can't figure. I don't see the control here. So.
Do you see a participants icon there?
Yes.
Participants icon. Then you get a list of participants. On the bottom of that, you'll see a button mute all more. So you click on more, then you see ask all to unmute. Because otherwise, if we allow the students to remain unmuted, then you have some kind of antisocial elements that we had right now,
Right.
Anyway, ma'am, I'll take your leave now, and all of the students, for those who have actually pointed out to me this issue, thank you so much. And please feel free to approach me, to approach ma'am. I think we are very, very approachable people, and we will definitely defend those people who are in the right. Okay. So if you see something, say something. So well done. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all, and please carry on.
Okay. Thank you.
Ma'am, I think the person making the nuisance, he left the room. So it's okay if you want to keep the mic unmuted. Perfectly all right.
Okay.
Hello?
Then I will
It's not
unmute everybody.
Yes, ma'am. That's all right. He left actually. Hello?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. I've removed the mute all thing, so everybody can unmute when they're speaking now. All right. We are moving to the questions now. I assume everybody has finished reading.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What does the term medical nationalism mean according to the passage?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, please go ahead.
What does the term medical nationalism means according to the passage? Ma'am, I think the answer should be A, to rely on your own medical resources and not take help from outside. It is being directly written in the passage, like countries like America and some other world powers, they are they're just relying on their medical nationalism and are not taking help from any other country.
Right. Absolutely. Well done. Well done. That is absolutely correct. And the answer is A. All right. Why, according to the passage, did the president of Timor-Leste praise Cuba?
Ma'am, C, because Cuba helped
Ma'am, C.
Timor-Leste build a
Yes, ma'am.
robust healthcare system.
Ma'am, C.
Right. This is again
Ma'am,
directly
it should
given in
In
the
the
passage when
passage.
the
Yes.
president of Timor-Leste is talking.
because Cuba
Independence.
helped
Because Cuba helped
Independence.
Timor-Leste
because the
Cuba.
robust
to build a
healthcare
robust
system.
healthcare system.
Robust.
Okay. What
Element.
kind of healthcare system does Cuba have according to the passage?
Ma'am, A, a completely
A.
socialized medical system coupled with impressive biotech innovation.
Rapper.
Right. A completely socialized medical system coupled with impressive biotech innovations. Again, a direct lift
In
from
the
the passage.
passage.
What is the antonym of the word catastrophe? Sequel, mishap, visitation, blessing.
Blessing.
Ma'am, blessing.
Right.
Blessing.
What does
Blessing.
catastrophe mean?
Obviously.
Ma'am, danger, disaster.
Right.
Disaster.
Disaster. And the opposite of that would be a blessing. All right. How, according to the passage, did Cuba emerge as a hero during the coronavirus pandemic?
Ma'am, I think
Ma'am, option C. They sent new medical teams to almost 20 countries.
Right. It is C. They sent new medical teams to almost 20 countries. Again, a very, very direct lift from the passage.
yes,
So
ma'am.
this last passage was quite easy, right? All of them are
Yes, ma'am.
direct questions.
Ma'am, they're more or less logical ways, ma'am.
Sorry?
Ma'am, more than theoretical, they're logical ways, so it's easier.
See, all your questions are logical, regardless of what section it is in. That is the new CLAT pattern. It is based on your comprehension and your interpretation skills. It's
Bro, it's
not
in the
really
CLAT name itself.
too much of a language skill.
Ma'am, new pattern of CLAT is easy, but it's more time consuming than previous pattern.
Indeed.
We need a lot
Is
time
it?
reading a passage and answering. Yeah, ma'am. We feel like that.
Okay.
Because we have passage and then answer the
Bro, you
question.
can't say we for everyone, it's just you.
I agree.
We means okay, I feel that.
See, we have about an hour now. So I'm happy to take any doubts, any discussions, any tips and tricks you guys want. So feel free to ask. The floor is open. What is this? Nobody has any questions.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask, what was your gut feeling when you yourself gave the exam?
Vidyush, I can't hear you very well.
Ma'am, what was your own gut feeling when you were giving the exam?
My gut feeling?
Yes, ma'am.
Nothing really. I gave all sorts of exams.
Oh.
This
Ma'am,
was
but like,
just one
what
of
does it feel like when you're going in there? Like, is there panic mode or are you nervous or like?
See, you should try your best to avoid being panicked or anxious. Because when you are nervous, when you are too nervous, a little bit of nervousness might be good, but if you're too nervous, then your brain will not work properly. And if your brain doesn't work properly, then it's going to be a catastrophe.
Yes, ma'am.
Danger.
Ma'am, I like how you use those words that we learned.
See, that's how you will remember words, no? See, this is why I keep
Yes, ma'am.
telling you guys, whenever you're reading something, even if you're reading the label of a perfume bottle, you come across a word that you don't know, look it up immediately.
Ma'am, only label I read is Blue Label, ma'am.
Good one, bro.
That is not even available in Bihar anymore.
Ma'am, outsource.
You can't outsource it. It's illegal.
Ma'am, contacts,
Ma'am,
suppliers.
It's illegal. You're going to be lawyers. You can't do illegal stuff.
Ma'am, drinking is not illegal, ma'am. It's a hobby. It's a choice of life.
It is illegal in Bihar.
Ma'am,
Possession and consumption is illegal in Bihar.
Ma'am, but सब करते ही है ना फिर भी.
नहीं करना चाहिए, no?
Ma'am, but like
करते हैं तो
But
गलत
law,
करते हैं.
but like सबके morals, I believe like सबके morals and ethics सबके different होता है, so it's alright, I think.
See, ethics and morals are different from law.
Exactly.
Law is a rule that you need to follow. Law may not be ethical, it may not be moral. It may be ethical, it may be moral, but then again, it may not be. But law and morals and ethics are very different things.
That's also right, ma'am.
And this is something which you are going to spend quite a few classes in law school on.
That's very exciting.
Also cash, ma'am.
Right.
But my compliments to you, ma'am. You're a great teacher.
Thank you. I'm very
Ma'am,
happy to hear
ma'am,
that.
I personally love your voice, ma'am, and it would be amazing to just attend your lectures, ma'am.
Well, I'm here every Monday, so feel free to turn up.
Definitely, ma'am.
All right. Tell me what questions and doubts you guys have. How is your preparation going? Do you need any help, any support, any tricks? What problems are you facing?
Ma'am, I want to ask a question, but it is not related to English. It is
That's
related to
fine.
CLAT.
That's fine.
शर्म किस बात की?
Ma'am,
Yeah, go ahead.
next year,
भाई Wi-Fi तो अच्छा लगवा लिया करो
next year will CLAT exam also be will it be like, okay, will it be on computer based exam or paper based exam next year?
Hey.
I don't think anybody can answer that question at the moment. It will depend on how the pandemic situation pans out.
भाई
Right?
लीक थोड़ी हो रहा पेपर ऐसे कैसे पूछ सकते हो?
चाहिए तो बता.
See, it'll depend on the consortium. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully, it will be back to the normal practice. But then again, if the infection doesn't, get under control, then maybe we'll have another online thing. Let's see.
कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
मम कल मुझे कॉल आई थी.
Hmm.
He's like पेपर लीक है 20-25 हज़ार का एंड जो पेपर की डिलीवरी हुई वो राजविहार के जंगल के अंदर किसी पहाड़ी के पीछे होगी. मैम तो मैं डील पर.
Bro, that's a scam, bro. I've heard that with one of my other friends as well.
क्या?
Okay, please don't go by.
Okay. Hi, ma'am. I heard again there are some issues. What's the problem going on?
No, I don't think we have any issues right now. We are just.
After I left, there's no problem again.
No.
Okay, fine.
Do we have a problem, guys?
Fine. No, I've muted everyone again, ma'am. I heard that again some people were misbehaving. So I joined. Okay.
Not really. I think there was some lag in one of the kids asking a question, but that was it. That was a connection issue. I don't think there was a problem.
As long as you are able to operate the mute all button properly, I think we won't face any issues. And in case people start misbehaving on videos also, it's very, very simple. All of you all just pin ma'am's video. I hope you all know how to pin a video. If you don't know, then you go to view. Okay, in view, you click on speaker view. So only ma'am's video will be visible to you all the time. Otherwise, where you see ma'am's video, there will be a small pin on the right-hand side on the top. When you go to ma'am's video, you will see a pin over there. You pin a video, nobody else will be visible. Okay, so I think with all these restrictions in place, I think we should have a very, safe setting, because please understand that this is a safe space. We are here to learn. Ma'am is my senior from college, I think we are both very, very approachable people. And if you want to learn, we want to teach. Okay, and those who don't want to learn, we have no interest in teaching them either. Okay, so thank you, ma'am. Please carry on, and do let me know if anything comes up.
Thank you. All right. Questions, guys? No questions? Nobody has any questions to ask? Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, the all mute button was still on, so we couldn't unmute our mics. That's why.
Oh, okay.
I think we can just let it go. Everything's going fine.
Right. Okay. Now you will be able to unmute.
I think someone's pranking sir. He keeps on telling them that something's wrong, something's wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
And then we keep on getting muted.
Right. Well, now we have nothing wrong, right?
Now it's
No,
perfect.
ma'am, we're not
यार वाईफाई इनका
irritating
वाईफाई यार.
anyone.
Okay, Hijab, I lost you for a bit. Could you repeat that, please? I couldn't hear you.
Ma'am, it happened that's why we told Vishit sir.
Okay, okay.
So,
अच्छा यही है फिर.
नहीं बोलना भी चाहिए.
ma'am,
दिक्कत हो रही है तो
am
बोलना
I
चाहिए.
audible?
बिल्कुल
Yes,
बोलना
ma'am.
चाहिए.
Ma'am,
कोई
am
भी
I
हो,
audible
आप
right
लोग
now?
परेशान कर रहे हो इसीलिए बोला जा रहा है. परेशान कर रहे हो, किसी को परेशानी हो रही है तभी बोला जा रहा है. कोई भी
Absolutely.
बोले.
No,
Yes.
absolutely, absolutely. If you have any problems, please feel free to reach out to Vishrut or me. Okay, we are here to teach. As Vishrut sir very, very rightly said, we are here to teach people who want to learn. People who
Yes.
don't want to learn, आप please आप घर जाके अपना टीवी देखो या बुक्स पढ़ो या
Thank you,
do
ma'am.
whatever you want to. All right, but don't disturb the other people जो actually
ma'am.
पढ़ना चाहते हैं. All right. So you guys have been practicing, right? How many of you are sitting for CLAT Abhi in September?
Me.
Okay. Just one of you, is it?
No, ma'am. Me as well.
I also, ma'am.
Ma'am, me.
All right. So quite a few of you are sitting. So how is your practice going? What are the problems you are facing?
It's
Has
going
your
all
speed
right.
improved?
Ma'am, it's just the mugging up part that's giving me some issues. Otherwise, it's perfectly all right.
Which part? Sorry?
Ma'am, the mugging up where you have to memorize the facts and the...
Ah, okay.
But I'll manage it, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. See, for GK, you need to do that. There is
Yes,
no
ma'am.
other way out. But then the good thing about GK is that it takes you very little time. Either you know the answer or you don't know the answer. So you don't need to waste any time on it.
Yes, ma'am.
So that gets quick. For the other sections, you can still devote some time and figure out the answers. So it leaves you with a little more time for the others. Has your reading speed improved? Are you using the tips and tricks
Drastically,
that we
ma'am.
keep giving you
Definitely,
guys?
ma'am.
Reading a lot
Ma'am,
faster.
ma'am, exponentially, ma'am.
Okay, good, good. That is good to know. How about the questions, and have you figured out which method is the fastest for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, the first one.
Reading the passage and then answering the questions, is it?
Exactly.
Okay, interesting. I would have thought it's either the second or the third for most people.
And for me, it is third one.
Right, looking at the questions first and then going to the passage.
Yeah, ma'am, because while reading we should not read the complete passage for me. If we read the question and then see the passage, we can find answer easily. We don't need to read full passage, complete passage, I mean.
Even the second one is nice.
Yeah.
Also, it wastes our time, ma'am, sometimes.
Right.
That's again a personal choice, bro. You can't just keep on giving personal.
No,
I'm talking about
see,
me.
there
I'm
is
talking
no
about
right
me.
or wrong method. All the methods are correct. It depends on which works best for you.
Bhai, wo
Because see,
apni
all
baat
of you are unique individuals, right? Everybody's
ma'am.
brain works in a different way.
Especially
So
me,
there
ma'am.
is no right or wrong here. Just figure out which is the fastest and most efficient one for you and stick to that. So there's no right or wrong here. It's about what works for you and what doesn't work for you. So whichever you are comfortable with, just do that. All right, what about the questions and how you are tackling the questions, how you're looking at the options, the elimination method, the direct answer
Ma'am,
method,
elimination suits me
choosing the
because-
best answer method?
Ma'am, elimination, ma'am.
Yes.
It's a lot easier. Like it just makes it more convenient, even if you don't know the exact thing.
Right.
Ma'am, and plus you have lesser
ma'am,
options.
I do
It's much
feel the
easier.
same.
Ma'am,
But
like,
elimination is just one of the options.
ma'am, like, kal ko
And
main
it is
KB
only, you should apply elimination only when you don't know the answer.
ma'am, like, kal
Or
ko
when
main
you're confused between two answers. If you
Ma'am.
know the answer directly, then it's time saving to go for that, right? Because then you don't have to sit and analyze 3 more unnecessary answers. So,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. So how you answer a question will depend on the kind of question that is, right? We spoke of 3 kinds
ma'am.
of questions today, right? The direct one, where you don't really need to analyze each and everything. There is no question of elimination, because a direct question which has a direct answer, it's just right there. So it's a time-saving thing. For an indirect question which has a direct answer, again, it should not take you too much time, because the answer is direct, so you have to zero in on one option. There is not really much scope for elimination there. It is the indirect question with the indirect answer that requires you to infer and analyze and conclude. That is where elimination might come in more handy.
Ma'am, it does, ma'am.
Elimination
Like,
is just
it's a
one of
lot
the methods.
easier.
You also have to see the complete answers, the better
ma'am.
answers, which is a better choice,
Definitely,
etc.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Sometimes you will find one word in the option is wrong. Otherwise, the rest of it is the
Yes,
best
ma'am.
answer.
Best of
But then
them,
that
yes.
would be a wrong answer, because there's one word in the middle which is wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, those are confusing.
They are
हो
confused,
जाते हैं, yeah.
which is why you need to read very, very carefully.
Yes, ma'am.
The biggest trick to CLAT is to read everything carefully, so that you don't miss out on these small things.
Yes, ma'am.
Because these are very easy to make very silly mistakes. Okay,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
just need to read it very, very carefully. Otherwise, once you make the mistake and then you go back and realize that you've made the mistake, you'll be like, oh man, this was so simple. Why didn't I read that line properly?
मैम स्कूल में भी ऐसे ही होता था.
Right. So here,
Yeah.
almost your entire paper is like that. You should be able to figure out, because it is right there. Like all the information you need is there, except for the GK one. Let's not talk about GK, because static GK again is very fact-based. So you either know or you don't know. But the rest of the questions, majority of your questions, you will be able to figure it out if you read it carefully. And if you don't read it carefully, it's very, very easy to make a mistake. So it's a fine balance. So you need to, read carefully.
Right.
All right. Any other questions?
No, ma'am.
Nothing? No
Not
doubts?
from my side, ma'am.
No doubts? No questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then. All the best. I'll see you guys on Monday then with mock 5.
Definitely, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Keep doing
I
the
really
mocks,
appreciate the
okay?
effort, ma'am.
Yep. Keep doing the mocks. Keep practicing. Okay. The more you practice, the faster you will be.
Of course, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right then. And if you need anything in the middle, please feel free to ping Vishnu
Ma'am,
sir.
I think
or...
Rishabh is trying to say
Ma'am,
something.
Rishabh मुझे messages कर रहा है, ma'am.
Okay.
Rishabh भाई बोल.
हाँ Rishabh, go ahead.
बोल भाई.
No, man, I was not saying anything. I just says thank you.
Oh.
Oh, you are very welcome.
Nice.
All right then, guys.
भाई
All the
advice
best.
advice ले ले
All the
rapper बन
best.
जा.
Keep practicing. Do the mocks, huh? Vishrut has made all the mocks in CPT
right, ma'am.
format. Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
please do that, because that will help you increase your
Exceed.
speed.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
Rishabh sent it to me.
All right then. ठीक है, चलो guys.
Excuse me,
Have a
I
good
don't
day.
have any contact of you.
Rishabh, stop
I'm
lying.
there on
You're
Telegram,
messaging
no?
me. Rishabh, what is this?
Bro, ma'am
Everybody is
bro,
there
ma'am
on
is
Telegram.
there.
Guy saying
Yes.
I sent
ma'am,
him.
ma'am, Rishabh, me and Harshad, ma'am, we three have a group, ma'am.
No,
Okay.
I don't know you. I don't know you. Sorry.
Ma'am, he's lying.
So then you should do group practices.
Ma'am, we
That
Ma'am, we
helps.
do it, ma'am. He's
ma'am, we
just
study
playing
together,
around,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, he lives 2 apartments away. So when I called him during Corona, he's like, मैं नहीं आ रहा, तू खुद पढ़ ले. So इसलिए गुस्सा है मुझसे.
Well, that's fair enough.
I think you
Yes,
should
ma'am.
end the meeting. Let it be.
भाई पान थूक के बात.
Wi-Fi यार.
यार कुछ
All
भी
right then. One last time. Any more questions? Any more doubts? Nothing?
नो मैम
No, ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.
All right then. ठीक
आजा
है.
भाई ऋषभ अपना आजा.
Have a
Rishabh
good
bhai.
day, and I'll see you guys on Monday.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All
Thank
right.
you, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Rishabh भाई
आजा
तो रुक जा.
ऋषभ.
Rishabh,
ऋषभ भाई ग्रुप पे